Do you want to burn stubble belly fat fast without going to the gym?
In this video, I'll show you the fastest, science-backed way to lose belly fat at home.
If this is it. But first, let me tell you something important. You cannot spot reduce belly fat with crunches alone. To burn belly fat fast, you need 3 things: smart exercise, proper diet, and consistency. We'll start with a simple 15-minute fat-burning HIIT routine. First exercise, jumping jacks, 30 seconds, full body movement. This increases your heart rate and triggers fat burning. Next, mountain climbers. Keep your core tight.
This targets belly fat and improves metabolism. Now hold a plank for 30 seconds.
Plank strengthens deep abdominal muscles. Next, high knees. Go fast, stay light.
This burns calories quickly and keeps fat burning even after you finish. Repeat this circuit 3 times. Rest 30 seconds between rounds. Now let's talk about food. This is where most people fail. Start your day with high-protein breakfast. Protein increases metabolism and reduces cravings.
Eliminate sugar completely. No soft drinks.
Drink at least 3 liters of water daily.
Reduce refined carbs like white rice and white bread. Eat more vegetables and lean protein. If you control your calories, belly fat will decrease. Sleep is powerful. Poor sleep increases belly fat. Sleep 7 to 8 hours every night.
Take a 20-minute walk daily.
Reduce stress. High stress increases belly fat hormones. Off. Green tea can slightly boost fat burning. Will change.
Your confidence will grow.
In 30 days, you'll see visible difference. This is not just fat loss. Start today. No excuses. Comment START if you're ready.
And subscribe for more real fitness content.